Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku. Not in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, November the 13th, 2021. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra Sudokus, no additional. So I've decided to solve the Monday edition of November the 8th, 2021. There are three puzzles left. Letter Sudoku, I've just solved this one. 2 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. And tomorrow I will solve the edition of Thursday. Yes, Thursday, October the 28th. There we have 4 puzzles left. 1 star, 2 stars, tectonic, and a binary. But first, I will solve this baby. Number 3679. 3679. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright. And for 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, we will see. So let's get started. How about let me scan the puzzle first. How about interesting. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Interesting. No. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 9. Okay. 6 should be here. 2. 4. 3. 7. Yes, 7 in this column. 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7, there's 7. Should be here. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 2 boxes. There's 707 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in this column. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 707 there. 7 should be there. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 7. How about 5, 4, 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6, should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And we have a pair, 1 and a 6 in this column, 1 and a 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 1, 6 and the 1. Okay, yeah. Okay, 8. 8. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9, 9. 9, 3, and the 8 is missing. Yeah. Yes. 7, 2. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8 is missing. So 2. 9, 8, 4, 9, 8, 4, 9, 8, 4, 9, 8, 4. 4, 4. Think. 2, 7, 8, 8 should be here. Yeah. The third column, 5 missing numbers. So one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Okay. Six in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Think. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then 1. How about the 6. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 could be here, could be there. 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. So these 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Let me mark those. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 8 could be also everywhere. 4, 8, 9. That means 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 3 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4. 4. Not easy at all. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4. Three missing numbers in this big square. Well, we have a pair, 6 and a 1, but one of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have 4 in this row, 4 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So third column, only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8. Look, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 1 and 8, 1 and 8 are left. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then 2, 2, 5, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this first column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 5 and the 7. The other pair in this column should be the 9 and the 3. 9 and the 3. We have a 3 in this big square. So no 3 in this box. The 3 goes there and the 9 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Okay, so we have a 9 in this column. 9 in the second column. So third column, only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for numbers 1. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 8. Here we have also 4 and 8. It's a pair, 4 and 8. Okay. 2 and a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6. So the 6 goes here, and I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in this last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5. You see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4, and this box will be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, we see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Correct? 15 to 20 minutes I need for 2 stars Sudoku, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. It will be a tectonic one with 1 star. See you later. Bye bye for now.